Sun, 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 sunshine. It's about time. Time for sunshine.
Oh,
Sunshine.
hello there, little buddy.
Ah!
Oh! 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 Hey, why are you screaming?
Because you're a monster.
Me? I'm not a monster.
Yeah, you are. You're a giant orange-eating lizard.
Pretty sure I'm just a watermelon.
You're Godzilla.
Watermelon.
Oh, so you're not gonna eat me?
Wasn't planning on it.
Whatever, Godzilla. That's not what Tokyo said.
So hey, where's the rest of the party?
Ooh, is it my birthday?
No,
Ooh, I want a pony.
no, it's not
And
your
a
birthday.
Nintendo Wii.
No.
And a pony that can play Wii.
It's not your birthday.
Oh. Well, is there cake?
No, there's no cake.
Well, this party sucks. I want my Wii pony.
It's not that kind of party.
Well, what kind of party is it? Only the greatest party in the world. Haven't you ever heard of the 4th of July? July who? And why is there 4 of them? No, the 4th of July. It's when we celebrate America's freedom. And we do it by having barbecues, parades, and shooting fireworks. So who are you? I'm Finale. Grand Finale, that is. I'm the headliner. You know, last guy on stage. Ooh, I want to see your show now. Later. No, do it now. No, it's not even dark yet. Do it, do it, do it. No, even if I wanted to, I don't have a lighter. Well, how about this then? Will that work? Whoa, hey, what are you doing?
Whoa,
You know how dangerous
put that down,
is?
Orange.
Parsley.
That's dangerous.
Hey, knock it off, Squirt. Give me that thing. Okay. Aw, crap. Whoop. Put it out. I'm not ready. Stop it. Wow, Grand Finale really knows how to rock. Whoa. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Whoa! Wow! What a bunch of potheads!